Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to allow YouTube access to photos. It's super easy and we'll make sure you'll get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Now first of all, long press the YouTube icon. Now click on App Info. Now click on Permissions. Now click on Files and Media. Now click on Allow access to media only. From doing this, you allow YouTube access to photos. I hope you found value in this video. If you want to grab freebies, want to explore fantastic sample offers, and want to get exclusive coupons, spinning, and wide range of products from cutting edge gadgets to beauty essentials, then watch the video you are seeing on the end screen. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.